How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're going to be talking about yet another stop sell recall from Honda. So what's going on is essentially during manufacturing processing, a bolt in the driver's side seat cushion frame assembly may have been improperly torqued. So a seat that has an improperly torqued bolt may not restrain the driver as designed in a collision, having an increased chance of injury during that collision. So the vehicles affected are 23 to 24 Accord, 23 to 24 Civic, 24 HRV, and 23 to 24 Pilot, and only 104 total vehicles affected. So obviously one is way too many, but it's a lot better than having thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions like we've seen some of these past recalls as of late. So the good news is, once again, very small amount of vehicles are affected. So the vehicles that are affected, those customers will begin to be getting notified in January 2024. And at that point, these cars will have to come in and these parts will be allocated for those vehicles. So we can't just stock these parts because obviously 104 units, these are going to be pretty widespread throughout the country, but only a couple of units once again. So Honda yet again with another, pretty significant recall here. Obviously not enlarged by numbers, but, obviously the driver restraint is very important. So if you have a seat that potentially feels off or something like that, maybe bring it into your local dealer. If not, then just wait for that notification come January 2025. So with that being said, that's going to be it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.